Hey guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. This is Car Connect. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification button. So I did say that I wasn't gonna post a vlog on it, but I'll go ahead and do it anyway. You guys know when I took delivery of my Mach 1, it was missing some of the side moldings that go in the front wheel well. Supposedly, based on some of the comments that you guys have been putting on here, is Ford is known to be missing parts on these cars. Either the gurney's missing, the front lips is missing, the moldings are missing. Front suspension adjuster, I checked mine, it's there. Man, I was burning, it was hot in Texas. But I went ahead and installed them. It's about a 5-minute vlog. If you care to watch it, great. If not, I get it, no problem. Again, thumbs up, appreciate the support, and turn on your notification button. Peace. Like an adhesive promoter comes with the pack. It's hard to see in here. Much better. Clear pass-throughs. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is install this one first just to give it some stability. And then you're supposed to remove these through the inside before you start applying pressure. Because this strip right here is 3M, and it's supposed to stick into the inside the lip where the paint's at. That's why you gotta make sure you clean it properly. And boy, it's hot as shit out here. I'm sure you guys can tell by the vlog. 5 of them, new ones, replace the old ones. Boy, it's hot. Sheesh! Sheesh, it's hot. You guys can tell the stickiness comes up here, 3M. So what we'll do is we'll put these in place. Next one, put these 3 in place in here. All right, so those 3 are in place right there. Move the tape. Last one. We don't want to scratch the 6-piston brakes. Boy, these things are real deep. Real difficult to get in their deep socket. So, sweaty. It's hot out here, guys. Old Texas heat for you. Again, I'll torque them up to spec in a bit. All right, guys, so it's done. So this gives you an idea right there of what it's gonna look like with the lip. Stand over here, you can see big difference. It's supposed to come from Ford like this. All right, now I'll go to the other side so you can see how it looks without it. It's plain Jane. Just makes the car look way, way different. It's incredible what a little lip like that will do to a car. All right, guys, as always, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification button. Peace.